Alright, hello and welcome to another quick YNAB tutorial. Today I want to show you about one of my favorite features, and that is the snooze function. Alright, before we get into that, I would love to take a quick moment to invite you to join my membership on School. It is called the Empowered Money Circle, and this is where I teach more about YNAB and all of the tips and tricks and how to master this brilliant software and be able to use it as a tool to help you make informed decisions about your money. You can go ahead and start your free 7-day trial today. All right, let's get back to the video. So we are here in our YNAB plan. So let's say, for example, you have this cleaning category, and for whatever reason, you need to cancel one of your cleanings for this month. So you don't need the full $180 in there. Maybe you're just gonna have one cleaning this month, so you only need $135. Now, if you just put $135 in this category, it will give you this yellow warning and say that you still need $45 more to meet your target. And the reason it's saying that is because that is the target that you've set on this category, or this is the goal that you've told the system, I want to set aside this amount of money every single month in order to meet my goals. So in this case, we know what we did. We moved out $45 because we don't need it this month because, again, we had to cancel a cleaning. So we get to move that $45 elsewhere. But instead of leaving this category sitting here with that little warning yelling at you saying, hey, put more money in me, what you can do is come down here and snooze target for this month. What that does is when you click the toggle on, it gives you a little snooze symbol and turns it green. So now it doesn't give you that yellow warning light to say, hey, I need more money, but it does remind you, you snoozed it. But again, you chose to move that money elsewhere. You knew you didn't need it for that month, and you don't need the reminder. So that is one of my favorite features. Again, if you wanted to turn it off, you could always just unsnooze it. And a couple quick things about this feature. You can only snooze a category in the current month. So right now is May. So if I try to move forward into June, I don't have that option. You don't have that option for anything that is not the current month. And you also don't have it for a previous month. So if we try to go back a month, we also don't have that option. So you can only do it in the current month, and you can only snooze one category at a time. So you cannot select multiple ones and try to snooze all of them at once. You have to do them one at a time. But that's it. And so that just makes it super easy so that you can be super intentional when you are moving your money around. Again, if you know that I'm not going to need $100 this month, but I need to cover $10 of overspending somewhere else, you can move that money, know exactly what you did, and then snooze the target so that you don't have to look at that overspent notification, or rather underfunded notification for the rest of the month. All right, if this video was helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and go ahead and subscribe if you would like more YNAB tips and tricks. I will see you in the next video.